Good morning, guys. We are back on chapter 2. So, Amita ma'am, I think it was exciting with the first chapter we did about the daily routine. So, I think let's jump on to the next part of the routine. We begin with how we have arrival time and how parents are going to wake children up. Then going to the breakfast time where they're having mealtime conversation. And prior to that, of course, organizing their own day. And I'm sure that would have made their day very easy to ensure that children are up ready for the new day. Now, the next routine we have is choice time. So,
Yes,
can
Shruti.
we share what is choice time and why it is important and why at first is the first thing in the morning?
For going there, I just want to share one thing that we human beings are very control freak. Don't you see the same?
Absolutely.
Right? Everybody wants to control. कि मेरे हिसाब से चीजें होनी चाहिए, राइट? मैंने ये बोला है तो ये होना चाहिए. And same thing happens with our children also. That how can we share the control by offering choices to our children?
So, like choice time in footprints, just to let all the parents know that we have this choice time after children are arriving in school, and that's the first thing they are offered. So, we offer children choices on what they want to do, or which area, or what activity they want to start their day with. So, Amita ma'am, the challenge here would be that that was the school and the setup. Now, how is it going to happen
Yeah.
at home?
So at home also we can offer choices, right? During the whole day. For example, last time parents can design menu with children. They can
Oh,
offer
that'll be great.
choices. Okay, in the breakfast, we can have either poha, upma, or bread omelette. Then give choice to a child. Okay, what do you want to have amongst these three? And I'm saying three choices because children can opt from three choices. And if you give many choices, then they are not able to make
Yeah.
decisions. We give choices to our children. Let's start from there only, right? We can start having conversation with our child. Okay, what do you want to wear amongst these three dresses? How do you want to go to washroom? By
Right.
jumping, by walking, by holding the hand. So these kind of conversations, when we are having with our child, we are offering choices and we are giving them platform to make decisions,
Absolutely.
which enhance their confidence and their decision making power.
Adding
Yes,
to
Shruti.
when you said that we must offer children very few choices of very few options like to choose from. So if you imagine a child in a toy store, and he has so many
Yeah.
things, and that time we
Yes.
kind of are very irritated that oh no, he's very rigid, stubborn about choosing particular thing. But the most the thing that we didn't plan as adults was that we need to acknowledge that children get confused, they don't know because for them everything is theirs. So how would they choose
Yes.
one particular thing? So this gives an access, I guess, at home. While you do everything at home, you have two options available for breakfast, and I could offer the two choices. And the child still feels the control, like you said, that yes, I chose
Yes.
what to eat, and then he will be responsible enough to eat and finish the food. So parents, I guess you have an access to have choices in your day all the time, like Amita ma'am mentioned about food or what to wear. Now, next question
Yes.
comes is this is for children who are older, they can talk, verbalize what they want. How about children who are below 12 months or 9 months? How do we offer
Yeah,
choices?
Shruti. Yes, yes. So for our young toddlers, or we can say infants, right, we give them choices. For example, if we are changing their diaper,
Hmm.
right, we
Hmm.
can show them two or three objects of their favorite toys, and we ask them what toy you want to have with you when mama
Hmm.
is going to change your diaper. So we
Hmm.
can ask them and have conversation where you are giving importance to your child and
Absolutely.
specify your action. What
Hmm.
mama is going to do with you? Oh, now this is
Hmm.
your meal time. Mama is going to feed you.
Yeah.
That way, you can develop the language of your child, and this kind of conversation gives children to share the control, to
Hmm.
make choices, to make decisions.
Hmm. I am sure, and this is very beautiful that you mention about the diaper changing activity. Like, we don't even consider it as an activity. Sometimes we don't even allow children to express. We just take the child out the diaper changing room, and that's done. And they are still confused what's happening with me. So this is so
Yeah.
beautiful that you even tell about what's going to happen with the child, why this is important, what happens if we don't change. So I think these
Yeah.
conversation intensifies the idea that you beautifully mentioned about language development. So
Yeah.
Amita ma'am, you must have met many people talking about my child is very young. I don't know whether he would respond or talk, and
Yeah.
that's the foundation we miss out.
Your child is like you only.
Hmm.
They can understand everything. And when you speak to them, they are aware, right? Or they can understand the characteristics of your actions, objects, and develop their learning.
Hmm.
Remember one thing, again, I'm repeating, children learn through their senses,
Yes.
right? And they develop understanding, right? With you, when you are speaking to them, when you are touching them, when you are hugging them, that give them confidence of safety and security.
And so while I think most of the parents are working from home and they have certain sessions they need to be online, and at that imagine there's an infant. So what activity should they offer so that the toddlers or infants are engaged yet they can work on their own stuff?
Have you seen that what they want to play with?
Yeah, like everything that they see, maybe even if there's a remote in front of them, they want to just
Uh-huh.
bang it around, or when they're eating they want to have the spoon and plate.
यस, और आप जो टॉय नया खरीद कर लाते हो उसे कितने दिन बच्चा खेलता है?
नॉट ज्यादा नहीं होता क्योंकि आई थिंक टॉय से दे एक्सप्लोर इट वंस, दे नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन एंड देन दे आर डन.
Yes, so our children are explorers, right?
Yeah.
So give them materials which they can manipulate. They can use in different ways. If we want to engage our children for like 30, 40 minutes or 1 hour, so we have magic exercise, treasure basket.
Basket.
You can create one basket where you can put all the materials, right? And give that basket to your child, right? Or create some surprise element
Yeah.
around when you are introducing the treasure
Yeah.
basket,
Yeah.
that you can cover the treasure basket and then you can ask your child, oh,
Hmm.
Mama has gift for you. Do you want
Hmm.
to see? Do you want to play with that?
Hmm.
Okay, then sit in this corner.
Hmm.
Sit on this mat, right?
Hmm.
And now let's do abracadabra. Make interesting.
Hmm.
Abracadabra, gilly gilly, choo, and then uncover the treasure basket.
Right.
And then you
Yeah.
see the magic.
So, Amita ma'am, I guess treasure baskets are always easy to make. And like you can see
Yes.
on the screen, we have baskets shown where Amita ma'am mentioned a lot of materials that are available at home. I think we have got two amazing activities for you this week. So one is the language you'll be using with children while you are offering choices. Like Amita ma'am gave example of, I have two things for you. Which one do you want? In a nutshell, that we need to respect children.
Describing their actions, yeah, without adding your judgments, your
Hmm.
evaluation. Next time, we'll talk about that.
Awesome, guys. So, you know what is up next for you. We'll be coming up with some of the strategies that you can actually implement and explore. When we talk about describing actions like Amitabh is going to uncover next week, we're going to also talk about what sort of developments are possible just by simple 2 or 3 strategies at home. So, guys, see you next week. And for this week, continue doing what you are doing with organizing your day and creating a treasure basket along with offering choices to children.